Guys, today I'll show you how to use Waze in the Philippines. Let's get started. First, download and open the Waze app on your phone. Make sure location services are enabled and allow Waze to access your location so it can detect where you are currently. Next, tap the search bar and enter the place you want to visit. You can search for an address, a business, a landmark, or a city anywhere in the Philippines. Once you've selected your destination, tap Go to begin navigation. Waze will automatically choose the best route based on real-time traffic, road closures, and reported incidents. As you drive, follow the voice-guided directions on the screen. If traffic conditions change, Waze may suggest a faster route to help you reach your destination sooner. You can also report traffic, incidents, accidents, hazards, or road closures to help other drivers using Waze in the Philippines. And that's how to use Waze in the Philippines. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.